I'm Melinda Gallen, chairperson of the Sandwich Town Hall Rededication Task Force. As chairman of the Rededication Task Force, it was a wonderful, wonderful event to be involved in. I really think that I'm most proud to be a member of a community that would actually want to preserve the past for our future generations. In this day and age, and certainly during these economic times, it's very easy for us to say, close down, tear down, get rid of some of our wonderful institutions that we have in this area. The day itself, to me, was just fabulous. First of all, we couldn't have gotten a better Cape Cod day with bright blue skies, big puffy clouds, mums that were the color of the rainbow in the front of Town Hall Square, and also having all our local celebrities, what we like to think of as our local celebrities, the selectmen, our representatives to the House and to the Senate in the State House of Massachusetts. I think was wonderful testimony to the fact that we are an important community and a community that believes in preserving those rich things that belong to all of us. What a wonderful building to center our community on. Again, the upstairs is gorgeous, all the hard work that went into it. From my standpoint, as chairman of the task force, all I can say is thank you. Thank you to the community, thank you to the volunteers, thank you to town government who did such a great job in allowing us to do this event exactly as we wanted to do it, which was really terrific. And again, it was a fabulous day, and it will go down in my memory as one of the most important days in my life as a community member here in Sandwich, Massachusetts.